Hey, Similolu here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Vwap on your Thinkorswim platform. Now, if you don't already have a Thinkorswim platform, I've put a link in the description box below, so click on it and it will take you straight to their webpage where you will be able to set up your own brokerage account. Now, whilst you're doing that, I would really appreciate a like and a subscribe. That would really help me in producing more videos, since this is the kind of stuff that YouTube likes. Okay, and let's dive right into it. So what do? Over to the top right corner here where you see studies, we click on that. We'll click on studies at the top right of the screen. Click on add studies. Over to all studies, all the way down to the V, and there we have to the right, top right, we have our Vwap. I'm going to go right up there, click on it, and voila, there is our Vwap level right there. This, if you've watched my other video, is a very important indicator. It really helps in getting those near perfect entries and exits. When the price action closes above Vwap, it's a close to good, I won't say perfect, but a pretty decent point at which to enter a trade. And when it falls below Vwap, a very good point at which to exit a trade. Now, once you have your Vwap right there, then you may want to just change the aesthetics of it. So what you do is you right click on edit, and as you can see, you can change the appearance of your Vwap indicator. So you can change the lilac to blue, and instead of the dotted line that I like, you can have a continuous line. And click apply and OK, and there you have your Vwap indicator there, just the way you like it. Very short video. If you want to know more about how to use the Vwap to make those very good entries and exits necessary to make profitable trades, then check out the video right above. And that is it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any comments, drop them below. I'll try my best to respond, and I will meet you on the next video.